Okay. Good morning, students. Today we will see mathematics next chapter. It is of part 1, chapter number 6, that is the circle. Okay. So for that, there are some important points. The first important point is different forms of equation of circles. The first important point is what? Different forms of equation of circles. Okay. The first one is from that is standard form. To understand this standard form, I have drawn a circle. From that circle, this is a point O. For that, we have a coordinate 0, comma 0. Exactly 0, comma 0. This coordinate is said that this is the origin. Correct? Then there is one more point P, which is on circumference of the circle. For that point P, x, comma y are the coordinates. Okay. Then from O to P, if we join a segment, that segment is called as a radius. From a center to a point on a circumference, we said it's radius. So that's why I have written over here small r. R is the initial of radius. That's why we have written over here r. Okay. So if we have everything like this, means a point or circle passing through origin, sorry, passing through a circle which have a center at origin, and there is one point P from which circle will pass, and the coordinate for them is x comma y. The radius for it is r. Then the standard equation of that circle, means for this circle, the standard equation will be x square plus y square is equal to r square. So that's why this is the more important equation whenever center is origin. Okay? So what to know? X square plus y square is equal to r square is a standard form for a circle if center is at origin. Okay. So now we'll move to the next point. The second point is center radius form. Note down center radius form. Okay. And you can see the little bit different figure over here. Here origin is here O 0, comma 0, which is the intersection of x and y axis, right? That means for this center we have some different origin, sorry, different center. Okay, so what is the center over here? Okay, I have given directly a coordinates x comma a. Consider this C is a point. C is the center for this circle. For that we have a coordinates like h comma k, and there is again a point P which is on a circumference of that circle. For that we have coordinates x comma y, which is similar as the previous one. The radius is again noted as r. So if this is given to us, means center is other than the origin, and again center and one more point is given to us, then how to get the different form of it, and that form is called as center radius form. Why? Because center is provided as well as radius is given to us. Then at that time the formula is r square is equal to x minus h whole bracket square plus x minus y minus k whole bracket square. Okay, I am repeating it. R square is equal to x minus h whole bracket square plus y minus k whole bracket square, and this is just because our center is something different. Okay, and what is this? Center radius form of equation of the circle. Any guess? If suppose, if you have written it properly, the first one, if h and k, if suppose this circle is over here, that means center is again 0 comma 0, origin and origin, means origin 0 comma 0. At that time h will be 0 and k will be 0 again, correct? So in that case, if I have written the same thing, That means instead of this h, we will write 0, and instead of this k again, we will write 0. So what will be x minus 0? X, correct? So here you will get x square, and similarly over here we will get y square. So again the formula will be x square plus y square is equal to r square, which is the standard form. That means the formula doesn't give you a wrong answer. The answer is for just for other than origin. If we have some other center, then we are using this form. Okay, understood? Note down this properly. Okay, now there is a third point, and the third form is diameter form. Okay, diameter form. So there is one more diagram for you. In this circle, which one is the diameter? If the C is the center, the diameter should be passing through that center C. So AB, which is passing through this point C, we will say this is as a diameter. Okay. For the diameter A and B, these are the two last points. So we can say that these two are the end point. What? End points of the diameter. Okay. And there is one more point P, which is lying on the circumference of the circle, having the coordinates x comma y, and as it covering a semicircle, that's why we are having a 90-degree over there. This thing is done in 10 standard. If suppose diameter is given to us, here center is not provided, I have just written C, haven't write anything h comma k, 0 comma 0, nothing. I have just written x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 as the two end points of the diameter, and one more point P, which is on the circumference of the circle, that is x comma y. So that means we have some other form, and that form is called as diameter form. Okay. So when diameter is given, the equation, the diameter form of the equation of the circle is given by x minus x1 into x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 is equal to 0. That means we are using this coordinate as well as this coordinate as well as this coordinate also. X minus x1 into x minus x2 means what? P's coordinate minus a coordinate into P's coordinate into B coordinate for the x coordinates. Then there is a plus sign. Then again P's coordinate minus A's coordinate, Y's coordinate, so y minus y1 into P's coordinates and B coordinate of y, that is y minus y2, which is equal to 0. So isn't it easy? Okay. So how many form we have seen? The first, that is the standard form. The second is the center radius form. And the last one is the diameter form of equation of the circle. All these three forms are very important. Based on those forms only, we are going to solve some question of exercise 6.1. Okay. Okay. So as we have decided, we start with the exercise 6.1. From the 6.1, the question number 1, find the equation of the circle with, in which the first question is what? Center at origin and radius is 4. That means two things are given to us. The first one is center. Where is that center? Center is at origin. That means the coordinate are 0, 0, and radius that is given as 4. That means we have r is equal to 4. What is the first form? Standard form of the circle. Standard form of the equation of the circle, correct? And what was that? X square plus y square is equal to r square, correct? Why? Because that is the center at origin. So by using that point only, if we know this, that center is at origin and radius is again 4, The given things I have already mentioned. I will rewrite again. R is equal to 4 and the center is O 0 comma 0. Okay, 0 comma 0. So that means the equation of the circle is given by which form? Standard form. Which form? Standard form. Therefore, I have written standard form. Standard form of equation of circle is what? X square plus y square is equal to r square. Correct? So x square plus y square will be same. No need to change this. But r is what? 4. So here we will write 4 square. That means the final answer for us is x square plus y square is equal to 16. Don't forget to box it. X square plus y square is equal to 16. This is our final answer. That means this is what? The equation of the given circle. Okay, understood? Okay, fine. As you have understood that first problem, this is
ब्लर झाले सगळं.
okay, fine. As you have understood the first one, this is a problem which is very similar to that and it is for your homework. Center at origin and radius is 11. Try to solve this, okay? And if you want, you can send me the answer of it in comment box. Okay? Okay, this one is the second question for us. Second question. Again, what we have to find? Equation of circle. And for the equation of circle, the given things are center is at minus 3 comma minus 2 and radius is given 6. Here they have said center is at minus 3 comma minus 2. That means center is not at origin. Means center is provided and also a radius is provided to us, that is 6. Okay, fine. Center is something different than the origin. That means for the given term, we directly have one thing. The other center, we will note that as h comma k. Consider that point C. So C is what? H comma k. These are the coordinates. So what are they? Minus 3 and minus 2 is given to us. As well as radius is 6 given to us. So r is equal to 6. That means if you compared it, h is what? Minus 3 and k is how much? Minus 2. When a center other than the origin is given, so what? As we can see, then what is the form of center radius form? What is the center radius form? I will write that center radius form. Center radius form of the circle is what? X minus h whole bracket square plus y minus k whole bracket square is equal to r square. Okay. So what is h? How much is h? H is minus 3. So that's why x minus minus 3 will be x plus 3 whole bracket square plus y minus minus 2, that means y plus 2 whole bracket square is equal to r is already given 6 square. Fine. Everybody knows the formula for a plus b whole bracket square. What is that? A square plus 2ab plus b square. I am using that similar formula over here. So x square plus 2 into x into 3. So 6x plus 3 square is 9 plus y is y square plus 2 into y. So 4y plus 2 square is 4 and which is equal to 6 square is 36. That means x square remains same, 6x again same. I will write that y square first, then this 4y. The remaining two terms 9 plus 4 is how much? 13. So here we will write 13 and on right hand side we have a 36. If I shift on left hand side, that will be minus 36 is equal to 0. So what will be the last line? X square plus 6x plus y square plus 4y. Then 13 minus 36. How much is it? 13 minus 36 minus 23. Okay. So minus 23 is equal to 0. This is our final answer. What is this? How much is this? What is this? This is the equation of circle from center radius form. Okay? Understood?